Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2010 Toyota Tundra. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.